Hello, welcome to the next lesson of Wooden Floor. My name is Habineza Michel.
And I am Habimana Gabire Devot. We are trainers at Rubenjera TVET School.
In the previous video, we did trial assembly and we prepared the ground.
Let's now proceed with final assembly of the frame.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Seti Munyehirwe. I'm the carpentry trainer at Rubenjera TVET School. Today we are going to have lesson 4 in wooden floor. This lesson is about final assembly of the floor. The objectives of this lesson is that in the end you will be able to do the proper setting out of the floor. Another objective is that you will be able to perform well the final assembly of the floor. I would like to request you to follow well and take notes where it is necessary so that this can help you in case you need to perform the same task. Normally in the wooden floor installation, you need to do the setting out or to perform the setting out. This setting out you do, it's necessary because when you are laying the planks, it helps that they will be laid in a proper way so that they are later flat and let's say they are all fitting in a proper way even. So that's why we need the setting out, and to perform the setting out, we need to do this on the joist. That's why I have them with me. The next thing that we need, it's a piece, a small piece that we will have to put under the joist so that we can adjust them till we have the level which is needed. So this small piece can be the piece of plywood or any other small piece that you can have with you. Besides this, as we are checking the level, we need the spirit level so that we know which level we have and what to be adjusted. In setting out, we will also mark where the joist will be fixed so that we can immediately start to fix them once the setting out is done. The joists are positioned according to the length of the planks because where we have a connection between the planks, there we need a joist. And still we have to make sure that the planks will not bow while walking over them. As the setting out is done, the next thing that we do is to fix the planks. First we lay them, of course, and then later we have to fix them. So that's why we already have the planks, and of course with the joint, the tongue and the groove already produced. So what we do, we lay them and then we fix them with the screws. There are special screws for the wooden floor, and the advantage for this screw is that it has good diameter and the head is small, so that you have the chance to fix it inside the groove and then later it's not visible. We need the tools. That's why we have the power driller for fixing the screws, and we need jigsaw so that in case we need to cut something so that the planks can fit in a proper way, especially maybe we have the door, and you have seen that here we have the column, so then the jigsaw can help us. Besides this, we also have the wooden mallet and chisel. The wooden mallet is mainly for fixing the drawings where it's not easy, but also with the chisel we might need it in case we need to remove something, just to chop something away. Mark where the column will be in the plank and then cut it accordingly to allow proper fitting of the plank.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.